Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Pivot tables allow you to create a powerful view with data summarized in a grid, both in horizontal and vertical columns, also known as matrix views or crosstabs. You can rearrange the layout, select a different type of chart, and add or remove data. A pivot chart can also create a quick summary of text entries.
Let's help you make your mark.
Requirements for pivot tables. The most important criteria. Each column must have a title. The title is always the top row of your data. In earlier versions of Excel, each column heading could only appear once. Your data should have a database structure. Each column should have one criteria or value. The 10th of May 2016.
Let's help you make your mark.
To do that, create a pivot table to analyze worksheet data. Select a cell in your pivot table. On the Insert tab, select the Insert Chart drop-down menu, and then click any chart option. The chart will now appear in the worksheet. When you click anywhere in the chart, the Chart tab appears in the ribbon.
Take our lead.
An Excel pivot table is a tool to explore and summarize large amounts of data, analyze related totals and present summary reports designed to rotate rows to columns or columns to rows, which is called pivoting, to view different summaries of the source data. Subtotal and aggregate numeric data in the spreadsheet. 4 February 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Follow these steps to sort in Excel desktop. In a pivot table, click the small arrow next to row labels and column labels cells. Click a field in the row or column you want to sort. Click the arrow. To sort data in ascending or descending order, click Sort A to Z or Sort Z to A.
Take our lead.
A pivot table is a data summarization tool that is used in the context of data processing. Pivot tables are used to summarize, sort, reorganize, group, count, total or average data stored in a database. It allows its users to transform columns into rows and rows into columns. It allows grouping by any data field.
Let's help you make your mark.
Source data standard charts are linked directly to worksheet cells, while pivot charts are based on their associated pivot table's data source. Unlike a standard chart, you cannot change the chart data range in a pivot chart. Select Data Source dialog box.
Take our lead.
Another important benefit of pivot tables is that it helps to summarize data in a quick and easy manner. The table helps in making a concise summary out of thousands of rows and columns of unorganized data. With the help of these tables, you can summarize large amounts of information into a small space.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.